my profession, and in some ways even society. It's literally a society that's been corrupted by forces and nobody realizes. We sit in these little bubbles, we read our New York Times, and we think everything's going as according to plan. You know, we even have my colleague over there who says that we saved 1 million lives with these vaccines. That is utter and complete nonsense. Nonsense. These vaccines saved no one. Across the world, the most highly vaccinated countries had the worst case fatality rates. Anytime you hear data on vaccine injuries, you always have to multiply it by a huge factor. And yet, even without that underreporting factor, it was truly concerning. The history of regulatory behavior of agencies is when you launch a new product or a new intervention and a death is reported, the traditional stance is you assume that it's related until proven otherwise. And I heard out of the mouths of public health leaders saying the opposite. They're not related. They're not related. It's all uncredible. I mean, we have baby formula, which kills a couple of babies and the entire product is removed from the market. You have a faulty muffler on a car and they recall 300,000 cars. And here you have all of these deaths being reported and nobody's doing anything. I've never been more terrified in my life. We have an explosion in autism, which is totally coincident and correlates with the explosion in the schedule. And I'll tell you, my colleagues here, they're going to say there's no evidence to show that there's any link with autism and the vaccines. That is nonsense. That is